To begin with, we start with the top 5 new CAD features in Ares Commander. In this first category, the focus is clear, making the transition from other DWG-based CAD solutions straightforward while improving day-to-day productivity. These new features are designed to reduce manual work, align with familiar workflows, and ensure consistency across your projects. So number 1, Property Painter across drawings. Property Painter has been extended to work across multiple drawings. You can now copy properties from an entity in one drawing and apply them directly to another entity in another file. This includes not only standard properties, but also dimension styles, text styles, hatch settings, and more. This helps maintain consistency without adjusting styles manually in each file. Number 2, MV Setup. MV Setup is now available to assist with layout setup with a workflow familiar to AutoCAD users. It guides you through key steps such as defining units, setting scales, inserting title blocks, and creating a line viewport, especially if you want to print from model space. This is actually a very old command in AutoCAD, but it reflects our commitment to offer a very easy transition because users can simply use any command they know from the past. Number 3, Xref Batch Update for missing references. External references get easily broken when they are renamed or moved, so we introduced 2 improvements. First, Ares Commander provides warnings when relative paths may break, for example after saving the file in a different location. Secondly, when references are missing, you can now update all paths in a single step from the references palette instead of handling them individually. Number 4, DWG to step export. Ares Commander now supports export to step format, a widely used standard in 3D CAD and PLM environments. This enables direct exchange of geometry with solutions such as SolidWorks, CATIA, Creo, or Inventor. Combined with existing step import, you're now both able to import and export to share in both directions with 3D software. And number 5, the Area Notes. Area Note introduces a dedicated workflow to calculate and document areas directly in the drawing. By selecting a closed area, the software automatically calculates the area, applies a visual fill, and adds a label with the measured value and optional description. With options for styling, transparency, and numbering, it's a great annotation tool that is an exclusive feature in Ares. Together, these improvements support both a smooth transition from other CAD environments and more efficient handling of everyday drafting tasks. That's our top 5. To discover all the new CAD features, I invite you to download our What's New document.